I'm gonna teach you a super easy magic trick that requires zero practice. It's very easy to understand and looks obviously impossible. First, I will perform it for you and then I'm gonna teach you. You do not need any gimmicks, just a normal deck of cards and to watch this video until the end. And after that, you will be able to perform it for everyone. You take your deck and do a riffle shuffle, just like that. And then you deal the cards until your spectator says stop. For example, here. Oh, you can use 2 spectators or just 1. For example, here. Alright. And then you put this card here and put the rest of the deck on it. And then I deal the cards again until the second spectator says stop. For example, here. Alright. The spectator could stop anywhere and the deck had been shuffled and all the cards are different. Now I take the cards that are next to those 2 cards. This card and this card. This card is 3 of hearts and this card is also 3 of hearts. And this card is Queen of Spades and this card is also Queen of Spades. Both pairs match. How is that possible? Hi everyone, I'm Parsa. I'm a magician for a few years but new in English, and today I'm gonna teach you this impossible magic tutorial. If you're interested in magic, just subscribe my channel. I upload magic tutorial videos, for example with cards, with banana, with nail, with anything. Just subscribe my channel. Let's go to this tutorial. If you don't have 2 extra cards, use 2 papers and write the name of the cards on it. Find the cards you wrote and put one of them on top of the deck and one in underneath. Now go in front of the spectator. And shuffle the deck in a way that keeps the bottom and top card in place. And then deal the cards one by one until they say stop, no matter when they say stop. Always, when you put this card here, the bottom card will be on it. Now, the second card is automatically underneath again. Deal the cards again and until they say stop and put this card here and the rest of the deck on it. So doesn't matter when they say stop, the pairs will always come together, just like that, and that's right. And if you learned this magic trick, like this video and subscribe my channel for more free tutorials. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Pars Magic.